This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Fluid Art Studio. That's a 12-inch by 24-inch canvas, and I've taken this paint. I have a silicone mat on my spinner, and when I spin out blooms, it leaves a layer of paint that's perfectly rectangular if I cut it. And then I'm hoping that I didn't invite disaster. Then I cut it into, at this point, a bunch of triangles, which I'm going to probably use. Chances are good, very good, that I'm going to use those to put on top of some wet paint. I hope I have enough wherewithal to do this. I've got sticky fingers, that's for sure. So I've got a bunch of Prizm pours and primary elements, and I have to figure out how to begin. And I want to experiment with my interferences, and I have an interference, I believe it's green, which will go with the violet nicely. If I open it completely, it'll go even better. And I'm going to throw a few other colors in there. That looks more like the gold. There's the violet. I got it. I don't know how much I have left of it. That's interference violet. Yes, it is. So I'm going to try and stick with just the top part of this. And just keep adding colors until I have an area of paint that I can stick things to. This is Chantilly lace and Prussian violet, which is, the Prussian violet is a primary element. And I'm just going to use stuff I pulled out. Indigo violet is another primary element. I don't mind if the background is dark. I do mind if things don't come out. Now that's under my thumbnail. Alright, what I do at that point is usually pull the top right off, because there's a clot in there somewhere. Then I'll just rest it back on again. I think the Bling It is a primary element. This is a golden maple. And here's some royal sapphire. I've been doing a fair number of these weird spread paint and see what we can come up with type of endeavors recently. I'm going to use some of this Mayan gold too. We'll see what happens. Where to start? I like cleaning off my spatula on the edge of the canvas. I guess I'll be using those colors again. I need to leave a somewhat wet layer. It won't dry too quickly if I want to do what I want to do, and I do want to do what I do want to do. But I think it would be a good idea to make sure that it's fairly even. So if I want to lay a row in there, I can do that. Part of me wants to put a little bit of cell activator in there, but I don't think I need to. I will have to be working fairly quickly though. Let's just... I'm not ready for this. I didn't make them very even, and that was an on-purpose thing. Now I can change it up, and I think I will go every other one. I need to kind of spread them out so that gap leaves some space in between for the larger and the smaller pieces I cut. Oh, that's cool. I'm making a burst. That's definitely kind of cool. Unless I get it wrong. What am I doing? I'm not right now. Okay, I got it. Took a second. It's better than it was. That was funny. I lost my way for a minute. I've got all kinds of weird stuff in here. That's a piece of acetate with paint cut. It looks like I'm going to be uneven. So I'm just going to keep on keeping on and hope for the best. When I find a small one that I need to fit in there, that's a good thing. I'm not paying the strictest attention. That one's weird. I don't like that one. It needs to be something else. But I do want something that's contrasting. Oh, that's way off. Okay, let's do something else with that. Arrange it so that it fits better. Which may be an issue because I didn't measure. That's probably not a bad idea. That's probably a great suggestion. But you can see what I'm doing. And like I said, I didn't cut my pieces terribly evenly. I do want to find a really small one. But they still look kind of cool. Oh, I found a really small one. I need to turn it around. Sorry about my head. So we're not looking for perfection, and it is kind of a mosaic. Come on, let go. There we go. Shuffle things around just a little bit. I have dyslexia and occasionally, and this is definitely bringing it on. But I'm liking the way things are working out still. And I grabbed one of those pieces of acetate. This is definitely collage worthy. But I need to make sure that I press it down well and truly into the paint. I'm going to be happy I have that second sheet of these. And that the paint is staying kind of wet. That's really good because I'm needing to make some adjustments as I go to accommodate the correct amount of space. But it's still accomplishing what I liked, what I was hoping for. I can't go too much further down because I'll run out of space. I used all kinds of garbage. I mean, things that the black and white ones are just, you know, where I smeared my black and white paint on my silicone mat. Alright, let's not get this wrong. Let's use more. This is the Mystique Primary Element. Already sealed up. This is the Mayan Gold. See if I can get enough paint going this time. This is the Chantilly lace with the Prussian Violet. Let's do a little bit of the Royal Sapphire again. Occurs to me I didn't put any pink in there, and it kind of looks like there should go some should go in there. So let's throw some pink diamond in, because I can, sort of thing. I don't think it's going to clash too badly. Here's the Wild Orchid again. And then can't do the bling it. I could put a little bling it in there. Maple, golden maple, and the violet. Along with, where did I do with, I hid the green on myself. Weird. Not so weird, actually. It's in a larger bottle, and I should see it right now. There it is. I did hide it. So the interference should look kind of different once it's dry on the background. That'll be interesting, I think. I might have used a little more paint this time than last time. And I suppose if I run out of colors, or squares, or triangles, I can always use just Sonia gloss varnish to stick my stuff down. Liking that color combination is gorgeous. Put a little bit of my residual paint all the way up. Just dab in the missing spots. The less you work the paint, the less likely it is to mix into a color that is nondescript. So that's me trying to attain that level of come on, move, thank you. Does seem a little bit of shame to cover up so many nice colors, but tis the nature of the beast at this point. I don't mind using the really weird kind of little plain ones that are misshapen also. I could have done a better job cutting these, and so could you. I'm running out of triangles. I'm going to have to move down. So if I do run out of triangles, you'll see what I can fit together. How much time do I have left? I have no time left. I have 12 seconds. I'm going to probably just keep working on this. I could make a part 2, but I'm not sure what the point would be. I do have more paint I can cut. So you've seen what I've been doing, and you could probably do it yourself, no problem. Just make sure your paint is wet enough to keep making adjustments. I thought I had more triangles, to tell you the truth. I thought I had enough, is what I should be saying. And hopefully I'm right about having enough extra pieces. And the truth is, even if they were boring, you could probably fix them by adding paint, because it's all acrylic, etc. And I do have one more sheet of triangles. So I might get a little ways. I might finish, actually, from the look of it. It's not impossible. And I'm really liking what I'm seeing. I just don't know that I'm fast enough to complete this. Maybe if I lay them down every other one, I can have a shot at it. So if you guys shop my Amazon link, it's at no added cost to you, but you'll find my 2 books there and all kinds of other cool stuff. My 2 books are Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities. I have over 28 lists of 100 videos, and I have them also organized by topic and genre. So if you need a link, please feel free to ask me. If it's still the holidays and you're shopping, I put all kinds of amazing stuff on. My Linktree has my website, but it also has Le Gallerist and Society 6. And under the video you'll find spring clothing. I could actually make a big dent in this. And like I said, I've got enough not cut material to finish one way or the other. And you can see that they're not all the same size, so you can probably get away with whatever you need to get away with. Just keep making adjustments. And I think you'll fake it, like I'm faking it. I want to keep going. I want to finish. I don't think I can. There, I got dyslexic again for a second. Darn. Okay, that's not working. I need something that will work, though. Alright, I've got 1 minute left. Please give me a thumbs up. When you share my videos, you help me out. What am I forgetting? I'm so distracted. Please give me a thumbs up. I said that. I love you guys. You inspire the heck out of me. I post at 10 a.m. now. I changed my time from 2:15 to 10 a.m. And it's Eastern Standard Time. And I'm going to get close. So you'll see in the thumbnail, I kind of want to shimmer that at you, just because I can. Tell you guys I love you. That's pretty cool. I like it a lot. I got a piece to go over here. Turn it around so I can fit it in. There you go. You guys take care of each other, take care of yourselves, and I do sell my artwork and I give classes at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. And see, the imperfect rectangles still look pretty cool. It's definitely patchwork. I'm going to say goodbye for now. Whatever I've forgotten, you'll see in another video. I don't like it when the timer's going off. Hopefully my timing is correct. Thank you guys for the donations. Thank you who have joined my channel to help support the production of videos. It's $9.99 a month, and you have access